All right, here I am, Pikes Peak, second round. Starting out earlier this time around, about 4 in the morning. Seem to be the second person here. Do an update here in a little bit. Big rocks. There's the city. I'm a bit higher up now. Still kind of on the initial switchbacks. More big rocks. Pretty cool. Once the sun comes up, it'll look a little bit more interesting. Probably have like another hour or an hour and a half until the sun starts really showing up. So far it's been very quiet. I only hear crickets. Very peaceful though. Well, I'm here in Barr, close to Barr Camp. The sun's coming out. It took an eternity, basically. I've been here since 4. It's 6. It's kind of cloudy out. It's been sprinkling most of the time, but been going fairly quick. Anyways, only seen 2 people so far. 2 trail runners, an older lady and a younger guy. So I got the place to myself. Alright, I'm gonna keep going and do another update a little bit later down the line. Thought I'd do a quick recording here. Sun's come up more here. You can see a little bit of the forest around. Still pretty dark and cloudy, but the sprinkling has subsided. Saw another person go past while I was getting my stuff out. Anyways, I'm not gonna dwell here too long. The last time around I showed off a lot of the forest section. So this time around it's gonna be more about the exposed part of the mountain at the top. But I thought I'd give a little bit of a view of what I see at the moment. Here's another view using the phone. I think it picks up the low light a little bit better. And there's a couple peaks out next to me. You can see. Getting close to Barr Camp. And making good time so far. This is pretty much what the majority of the trail looks like up until the last, I don't know, 20 or 15%. Here's a little interesting area off to the side. Yeah, it's nice, it's pretty. It's like a place of power. Anyways, sun's coming up, which is definitely encouraging. I was in the dark there for like 2.5 hours. Anyways, I'm ready to continue on. Here the terrain is changing a little bit again. so I thought I'd film a bit. So, more dense forest. Not a lot going on really. The sun is still not really fully out. The clouds are fairly dense. About to head into bar camp in a moment. We're getting higher up now. I'm at about 3,300 meters. You can see it down below. I still got about 1,000 meters of elevation gain to go. It's going pretty quick though. I've been doing this for about 4.5 hours moving time, I believe. Weather's not so great. It's cold. A lot of clouds right now. So, not amazing weather, but could be worse. Here I'm getting up higher, getting close to the edge of the tree line. Met a lot of nice people today. Everybody's been pretty nice. So I can't complain. There's a little bit of blue sky showing up. So hopefully these clouds clear out. It would be nice to get a little bit of warmth. We should be about to breach the tree line now. Here's a window. So you get an idea what I'm seeing. A lot of people have passed me up. A lot of beasts coming up here, I'll tell you that. Anyways, everybody's very friendly, I appreciate it. I'm getting pretty high up now, about 3,700 meters. Thought I'd do a quick video. Very calm up here. Starting to get chilly. There's some huge stones behind me. It's probably the size of a two-story building back there. Anyways, can't spend too long. I would love to, but it's freezing. And the weather's not great. So, hope you guys enjoy. This is for you guys. Mom, Dad, Abby, Michael, Byron, Miriam, Nico, Mariella. Love you guys. And Grandpa too. Skylar, you too. Love you guys. I'll see you soon. Here I am, getting pretty high up. Slowly but surely. Get into a home stretch here. I would say there's about 2 kilometers or so left. It's great other than the weather. Pretty nice here. Videos about a half kilometer from the top or so. Anyways, this one went by a lot faster, a lot better than the last time. Yeah. It's beautiful. Love this rock formation. Here's another video real quick before I finish up. Hope you guys like it. Thankfully, no rain. There's the visitor center at the top. Been great. Oh, here I am, I made it again. The train's about to leave. Parking lot, visitor center. Gonna go warm up, eat, feel better. You get any good views or it's all clouds? Got any good views or it's all clouds?